Hey guys, today we're doing a super beginner-friendly Asian kitten look. But first we've got a depuff. I'm just starting with a cold compress using these new toner pads I just unboxed. Trust me, it makes such a difference. For the base, the golden rule today is keep it light. Since the drama is going to be in the eyes and brows, we want the skin to look airy. We're going for a full matte porcelain finish, so set that base well. Use a flat foundation brush. This will make the application much silkier and easy to apply. Then use a puff sponge to evenly blend the product into your skin for a smooth, flawless finish. I'm actually using this one palette for almost everything: blush, shadow, and highlights. Use a brush to blend everything seamlessly. Use a contour pencil stick, then use a double-headed brush and a small brush to blend everything seamlessly. Next, use a light concealer to brighten up your face. Look at that brightening effect. It's so precise and sheer. It really smooths out the face without looking like you've caked on product. Then use a powder to set everything in place. Let's talk brows. We're going for a slight arch and a longer tail today. I'm using a liquid brow pen to draw in individual hairs. Since I'm doing a darker brow, I'm keeping the strokes further apart. If you draw them too close together, it gets way too heavy, way too fast. For the lids, a light brown base first. This powder is so finely milled, it blends like a dream. Then take a deeper brown and blend it upwards from the double eyelid fold. Now grab a creamy gel liner. We're doing the inner and lower lash lines. Be really careful here, you want it to look sharp and clean. Now we're going to extend the eyeliner from the inner corner to the lower lash line to create a more elongated, defined eye look. Oops, forgot to hit record on the wing. Ooh guys, I totally missed the recording for the winged liner, but the kitten wing is honestly magic for changing your eye shape. Just finishing up the aegyo. The only highlights I'm adding are right on the inner corners and the tip of the nose. Add false eyelashes to enhance your eyes and complete your makeup look. I'll use this highlighter to brighten up the inner corners of the eye and the nose. For blush, I'm obsessed with this Beam Paste Dusty Rose Blush Stick. Isn't that color gorgeous? Time for lips. I'm unboxing a new liner. It's a bit darker than my usual, but it's so smooth. I'm using a pale nude pink for the base, and then layering this beautiful good complexion pink brown on top to bring the whole look together. And that's the finished look. Matte, feline, but still so soft. What do you guys think?